to demonstrate how you can make a battery out of a lemon. So we took a bunch of lemons and put a piece of copper in each and a piece of zinc. And then we connected all of them together so it goes, you know, copper, zinc, copper, zinc, copper, zinc, so we got a battery here. So each one is behaving like a cell. And then you can run electrical stuff off of it, like a little fan here. We'll just hook them up to a little fan here. So these are running off of the lemon batteries right here. So we thought maybe if you can do that, could we possibly just simply take a power outlet like this one here and just plug that right into the lemon. So maybe get close here and you can see how we're going to plug this right into the lemon. So we're going to plug this outlet into the lemon, and then we're going to see if we can run our coffee pots on that. So we'll plug that in. Oh, that seems to be working. Give that a second to start dripping. And then a lamp. We got a lamp, so we'll plug in our lamp here. Get the lamp running, and then maybe a fan too. See how much power we can get out of this thing. There we go. So there you go. New way to power stuff. Just plug your lemon right in.
Right on.
All right, good.